This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today, we are cooking Chinese lettuce. This is Chinese lettuce, or sen cai, or sang choy in Cantonese. It's crispy and has a mild and nutty flavour. This vegetable is very popular during Chinese New Year. Business owners will hang heads of lettuce with a red packet inside high up into the air. The lion dancers will then pick the lettuce out of the sky. This symbolizes new beginnings, luck, and fortune. Similarly, at the dinner table, Chinese lettuce represents prosperity and a fresh start. So, have some Chinese lettuce this Chinese New Year for a fresh start to a great year. This is a very simple recipe that takes only a few minutes to prepare. Cut the bottom off the head of lettuce and separate the leaves. Dirt tends to accumulate at the bottom of the stem. So, wash these leaves thoroughly under running water. Now, you want the lettuce to remain bright and crispy for a longer time after cooking. The key to this is to start with a pot of boiling water. Not just boil, but a rolling boil. To the water, add in a tablespoon of oil and a teaspoon of salt. When the water comes to a rolling boil, put in the lettuce. Remove the lettuce as soon as it turns a darker shade of green. This will take about 20 seconds only. Do not overcook it. Also, do not overcrowd the pan. If you have more lettuce than your pan can hold, blanch the lettuce in 2 batches. For the dressing, chop up 3 cloves of garlic, julienne 4 slices of ginger, and some chillies. Heat up 40 ml of oil. When it's smoking hot, turn off the heat and gently pour the oil over the aromatics. That's the ginger, the garlic, and the chilies. The heat from the oil will activate the flavors from the aromatics. Give this about a minute to cool off. Then add in 40 ml of soy sauce. I'll just eyeball this here. Give this a good stir and your salad dressing is done. Now to put them all together. Arrange the lettuce nicely onto your plate and pour the salad dressing over the leaves. This is a very simple Chinese lettuce dish.